Hey guys, it's April. I wanted to come on and show you guys how to use this Smart Label, the Dissolvable. Now you can get this in the Joy size as well. But you know, sometimes that we have jars and things that we buy, and when you try to peel the labels because you want to reuse it, you end up with something like this. And it's tough to get off sometimes. Sometimes we can get it off with hot water, things like that. But when we want to reuse our jars, we sometimes want to do labels and then just redo them. All you have to do is put these in your dishwasher, and then you'll be able to simply take it out and relabel it. Now this is my Creole mix, so I'm just going to place my label. You're going to peel it and place it on just like you do stickers. And now I have that. You want to clean your glass, all of that. I want to put one on the front of mine too. Sometimes I stack my jars on the shelf, and sometimes I just have them lined up. I'm going to stand up here so I can make sure I get this centered. But you're just going to apply them like a sticker. You're just going to peel it off of your backer and place it right onto your jar. Now when I get ready to, because I don't have much of this fajita mix left, I don't use it that often, but the next time I use it, it will probably be about empty because I do my meals for the week. And then I can put this in the dishwasher, wash it out, and use it for the next spice. Just create a new label for it. Super fun, super quick and easy. You can do these in any of the color pens that you want. All of the pens except your infusible ink or anything that's used for fabric will work. So you can use your fine point, your extra fine, your glitters, your opaques. All of them will work on these labels. Love, love, love. I'm going to take some photos of these and get this video posted up for you. But please, please, please give this a try. It's so super easy to work with, and you don't need a mat to cut it. If you have the Maker machines, the Maker 3, the Maker 3 or the Explorer 3, you can use the Smart Label. Now you can use it with the regular machine, you just have to put it on a mat. You can cut it, simply put this down on your mat and use it like that. So, and it also comes in the Joy, for the Joy, so make sure that you're grabbing these materials. They're brand new to Cricut, and they are awesome. You have to give them a try. Catch you on the next video. Happy crafting.